This is Colin Cody from ERA Rd Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to my listing at 11091 Milnes Road. This listing is out in the country. It's very peaceful. You have 4 acres here, lots of room to roam. Put in a garden, do whatever you want. Even has a building that could be a she shed if you want to make that into that. Wood heat, regular heat also. House is very pleasant on the inside, everything on the main level. Come in and check it out. You'll be glad you did.